come over the dais. And from the organizing committee, I would like to request to fill a statement with a traditional Aronai.
Reading over. Saya.
इधर ही
Through their graceful movements, our dancers reminded us that prayer can be expressed not only
from tears and flame, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations true. The glories of His righteousness and wonders of His
Is there room?